As Delhi gears up for the assembly elections in the next 2 months, the battle over freebies takes center stage. Days after the Aam Aadmi Party launched a campaign to register people for the proposed Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani scheme, the Aam Aadmi Party's grand schemes seem to have hit a roadblock. In a major embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party, two departments of the Delhi government issued public notices cautioning citizens against falling for quote-unquote misleading schemes launched by the ruling Aam Aadmi Party. The issuance of these notices adds another dimension to the ongoing tussle between the AAP and the bureaucracy, which comes under the aegis or control of the Lieutenant Governor. The Delhi government health and women welfare departments have issued a public notice to people warning against falling prey to non-existent Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani Yojana. While Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has vowed to act against officials who published the notice, BJP on the other hand has also slammed the Aam Aadmi Party and said that it is indeed an attempt to collect private data of the residents of Delhi. The Delhi government department's distancing itself from the AAP's promise scheme has also left the AAP red-faced. What the AAP has claimed, that women will be entitled to get 2,100 rupees per month. The Delhi government's department notice also says that there is no such scheme for women that's been notified by the Delhi government. What the AAP claimed, free treatment for 60 plus in all Delhi hospitals. The Delhi government department's notice says such non-existent schemes are misleading. What the AAP claimed, door-to-door registration by AAP leaders. Delhi government department notices there is no question of registration for the scheme by the government. What AAP claimed, 35 to 40 lakh women eligible under the scheme. Delhi government department notice says restrain from entertaining such promises. What the AAP claimed, eligibility requires proof of residence in Delhi. Citizens are cautioned against sharing personal info is what the response came from in the notice. Now, the latest flashpoint, which comes weeks ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls, sparked a slugfest between the AAP and BJP leaders. The BJP has levelled a serious accusation against the Aam Aadmi Party, claiming that the scheme promised is part of an attempt to deceive Delhi's residents. The BJP argues that the AAP is engaging in political manipulation, making false promises to gain votes without any official notification or backing for the scheme. In a sharp rebuttal, the AAP said the BJP is worried it's been triggered because of our announcements of the revdis or the schemes. The BJP has accused AAP of losing the trust of its own bureaucrats, and in response to the BJP's allegations, AAP has firmly denied any such claims, accusing the BJP of engaging in deliberate smear campaign to undermine the Delhi government. The AAP has labelled the BJP's charges lies and as an attempt to spread misinformation. The BJP further raising serious concerns, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of attempting to collect private data of Delhi residents under the guise of its welfare schemes. And on the other hand, the AAP accused the BJP of pressuring officials. Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the BJP with us, Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party, also joining us. But first, the reactions that have come in through the day.
कल शाम तक, कल रात तक लगभग 12.5 लाख महिला सम्मान योजना में रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके थे और 1.5-2 लाख बुजुर्गों के रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके थे। इस सब से बीजेपी बुरी तरह से बौखला गई है।
नोटिस आज अखबारों में जारी हुए हैं, वो पूरी तरह से गलत हैं, झूठे हैं। इन अफसरों के खिलाफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कार्रवाई तो होगी ही। इन अफसरों ने जो ये गलत सूचना अखबार में छापी है, इनके खिलाफ पुलिस कार्रवाई भी की जाएगी।
वो सरकार का जिन नोटिफिकेशन अफसरों पे दबाव बना के भाजपाइयों ने जो कराया है, उसके लिए उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे।
कोई योजना नहीं है, ये केवल चुनावी छलावा है। खुद हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी ने सीनियर सिटीजन से ये निवेदन करा, जो मैं आपके माध्यम से दोहरा रही हूं, कि कृपया बड़े बुजुर्ग अपना पर्सनल डेटा इस तरह अनजान लोगों को ना दे।
भाई वो बीजेपी नहीं एडवर्टीजमेंट निकाली है, वो तो दिल्ली सरकार का वो डिपार्टमेंट निकाला है। तो ऐसा कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं कि दिल्ली सरकार का ही डिपार्टमेंट दिल्ली सरकार को कह रहा है कि आप ये फ्रॉड मत करिए जनता के साथ, ऐसी कोई योजना नहीं है।
तो अरविंद केजरीवाल को अपने इस कृत्य के लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए, जो उन्होंने दिल्ली की जनता को धोखा देने का काम किया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Well, Akashdeep Muni and Pradeep Bhandari with us. Namaste, Jai Hind, gentlemen, and season's greetings. compliments of the season. It's a festive day. But प्रदीप भंडारी, एक बात बताइए, आप महाराष्ट्र में बांटे तो जलेबी, यहाँ आप करे दिल्ली में तो फरेबी, ये लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आया.
Well, Anandji, there is a huge difference. The difference is the following. At the outset, first of all, it is not. We are not even a party in this case. It is the Delhi government itself. It is the department of Mr. Saurabh Bharadwaj, which is telling Mr. Arvind Kejriwal that Mr. Kejriwal, please do not do anyaya and injustice to the people of Delhi. Something which is not on paper. How can you take private data of citizens by giving them a shagufa and deceiving them? Point number one. Point number two, in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, when we were in government, it was the government machinery which used the government apparatus and ensured that a government scheme was implemented in letter and spirit. We did not went to the party offices, we did not have individuals registering in party offices, and through party offices we were ensuring that the 2000 rupees reached the account of the females. So here the Aam Aadmi Party, A, first of all, has not launched the scheme, B, the scheme is not in the paper, 3, at the same hand, it is collecting private data, and 4, it is using its party machinery to do government work. All of these 4 are illegal, along with deceiving the voter. Now look at the past track record of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party promised similar thing in Punjab. It has been more than 2 years the Aam Aadmi Party's government is continuing in Punjab. Till date, the Aam Aadmi Party has not deposited 1000 rupees that it promised the people of Punjab. In March, the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi promised that it will deposit 1000 rupees in the account. Till date, it has not happened. Now it is promising 2100 rupees, which the notification is not there, which the Delhi government itself is saying कि जब है ही नहीं notification scheme का तो आप कैसे लोगों का data ले सकते हो? This is illegal. Remember the Puttaswamy judgment of the Supreme Court. This is against the right to privacy of an individual, and this is what we are raising.
Okay, Akash Deepmuni.
Anandji, first of all, Merry Christmas to you and my fellow panelist, and thank you for having me on your show. Anandji, first of all, anything which is in manifesto will be implemented after the election is done, and particular this 2100 rupees coming into the bank account of each woman in Delhi is in the manifesto of Aam Aadmi Party, which will be coming into after the Delhi elections. And interestingly, one thing that actually the cabinet has passed this. The cabinet notification has gone. It will go to the LG. When LG approves it, then the final notification will come. The cabinet has passed it. But today I want to tell you through your channel that largest party of the world, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, is so much on back foot regarding Delhi elections that its poster boy Parvesh Sharma is caught red-handed distributing cash in return of votes on camera. Now he says that it's an NGO. If the NGO was distributing cash, why the card with money has no mention of the NGO but has BJP, JP Nadda, Modi ji and Amit Shah? I am shocked and bewildered that why Bharatiya Janata Party is supporting a person like Parvesh Sharma and why he is there in Bharatiya Janata Party till now when he is caught red-handed distributing cash. And where has 7.7 crore rupees come in cash to Parvesh Sharma to distribute to 70,000 women in New Delhi constituency? Where is the ED? Where is the CBI? Where is the Delhi police? Why Delhi police is doing barricading and have still not questioned Parvesh Sharma in this particular case? As per Honorable Prime Minister, we should not keep more than 20,000 rupees cash in our account. But today Parvesh Sharma has 7.7 crore rupees cash to give to the Delhi constituency women. This is shocking. And the biggest thing is that this has to be done by direct beneficiary transfer. Why he is distributing in cash? And I am shocked and bewildered why the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson is still not bashing him and not throwing him out of the party. I want to hear him that is he throwing him or not?
Okay, now that is classical shifting of the goalposts, but you made a charge, so let the BJP answer that. Yes, but there are some loopholes in your allegation that you made, Akash Deepmuni, but let's see if the BJP can defend that. Yes, BJP. Pradeep Bhandari.
Well, first of all, Anandji, he's not answered. Till date in Punjab, not a single woman has got 1000 rupees in her bank account. So, as usual, Mr. Kejriwal, who can spend 52 crores for his sheesh mahal in Delhi, has not been able to deposit even 1 rupee in the account of women of Punjab, leave aside the women of Delhi. Number two, again he lied on your show. The notification which he is speaking about is the notification of 1,000 rupees. Right now what he is promising is 2,100 rupees, which is not on paper. Now even in the 1,000 rupees one, I will expose him. He in the notification for 1,000 rupees said that he has allocated 2,000 crore. There are 63 lakh women roughly in Delhi, which means that even to deposit 1,000 rupees in each bank account of 18 plus year in Delhi, you will require 8,000 crore. Mr. Kejriwal on that notification has promised 2,000 crore rupees, and where is the other 6,000 crore? Nowhere there. So just like Punjab, he will deceive the women of Delhi by saying मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, केंद्र पैसा नहीं दे रहा, मैं क्या करूं, स्कीम नहीं लागू कर सकता. This is typical Mr. Kejriwal, which is anti-people, anti-women. This is why till date in Punjab is not been able to implement it. Now let me come to Parvesh Sharma point. If Akashdeep Puni believes that there is 70 crore cash, he should immediately file an FIR.
Yeah, 7.7
Why has the Aam Aadmi party not filed an FIR of 70 crore cash?
No, they said
Please
7.
show me the FIR.
No, they've said 7.7
You have been
crore.
doing PC since morning.
He just said 7.7 crore.
7 crore, file 7 crore. I'm saying
I'm
7
sure
crore. If he
that
has
the
sources
business-
which believe there is 7 crore cash, file an FIR. Why has he not filed an FIR for 7 crore cash? अरे एक एनजीओ 2,000 रुपए गरीब महिला को दे, इसमें दिक्कत हो रही है. केजरीवाल जी ने तो अपनी पूरी जीवन जो है वो एनजीओ में बिता दिया था. फोर्ड फाउंडेशन से पैसा लिया करते थे और बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते थे. आपने नई दिल्ली में कुछ नहीं दिया. यहाँ गरीब महिलाएं जो है मदद मांग रही है और आपको दिक्कत हो रही है. एंड ऑल्सो on a technical point, neither is he a public representative right now, neither is there election, neither there is imposition of MCC, neither is being given a ticket. So please don't give me even on technical argument you are false. But अगर आपको लगता है कि 7 करोड़ उनके घर में तो जाके FIR फाइल करो ना. घबरा क्यों रहे हो?
On the case of Parvesh Sharma, yes, the Aam Aadmi Party has made an allegation, but some things belie logic. If you want to give money by deceit, you would not give it in broad daylight. If you are trying to bribe the voter, you would not give that money with the BJP ka parcha, BJP ka card, and also do it when you know fully well that there is a waiting media outside to question these people who are getting the money. Third, he has come out and accepted that yes, I have given the money. So clearly if he is coming out and saying I have given the money, any private individual can do whatever he wants to do as long as the money trail, paper trail, and also the documentation is in place. Point is, if there is a problem that you believe there is criminal culpability, please file an FIR. Let the cops investigate. Parvesh Sharma has not run away. He is already on record saying yes, हमने दिया है. क्योंकि आप नहीं दे पाए. You couldn't give the 1,000 rupees to these women who have not received it, so I am giving it, is what he has said in his constituency. That's his point. Whether he gets a ticket or not is fait accompli going forward, and also there is no MCC. The point here, Akashdeep Puni, there is nothing wrong in Arvind Kejriwal also saying, if we come to power, we will give 2,100 rupees. If we come to power, we will give Sanjeevani free medical care. Somewhere, this if has it been conveniently converted to now, when the rallies are happening. The other thing is, has Mr. Kejriwal and Ms. Atish misled the voter or misled the people when they said come and register? Because if it's a government, if they are a government scheme, then should they come and register at the government office, the Mahila Welfare Office, or at the Aam Aadmi Party office? These are the points. You can make a promise that if you bring to power, and Mr. Kejriwal repeated that today, but during the polls, during the announcements, was there a certain over-exuberance of trying to say, मैं अभी दे रहा हूँ, हम तो अभी दे रहे हैं जी.
नहीं आनंद जी, पहली बात तो आपने जो कहा इनिशियली कि आप कैश फॉर वोट्स दे सकते हैं in return.
No, he's not asked for votes. Has he asked for votes? No, has he asked for votes?
Yes, he asked for votes.
No,
yes, he asked for votes.
No.
The government coming out your channel
No.
showed that they have been given the parcha of Bharatiya Janata Party.
No,
with the
they've been
photograph of
given.
Modi and
He's
Amit
been.
Shah,
No.
and asked
What
them,
I'm saying
please
is, you
vote
file an
for
FIR.
Kamal.
At no
Yes,
point,
he
at no point, the you know, here is what the ladies said. They said, अभी आपको 1,100 रुपए दे रहे हैं. अगर हमारी सरकार आएगी तो 2,500 रुपए आपके अकाउंट में डायरेक्ट डेबिट होंगे. That is what the lady has said on record with Javed Mansoori of News 18 India.
Ladies came out and said that अभी 1,100 रुपए दे रहे हैं, आप कमल का बटन दबाना. This is cash for votes. And Aam Aadmi Party will be registering an FIR.
अरे आधी बात बोल रहे हो. बोला कि अगर कमल की सरकार आएगी तो आपके अकाउंट में पैसा, आपके अकाउंट के अंदर डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट आपको उस हिसाब से 2500 देंगे। मुझे बताइए कैसे हो गया? एक प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल है, वो आज अपने मदद से
He is not a candidate. He is not a candidate. He is not a candidate. There is no MCC right now. He is an individual who's come out and said if the BJP comes to power, the same thing Mr. Kejriwal is saying from a public platform. I will give you 2100 rupees if we come to power.
What Arvind Kejriwal is doing is that Arvind Kejriwal is giving through the exchequer.
Where is he given? Has that notification come? Has it been ratified by the LG's office? Has this commitment been ratified by the LG's office? The cabinet notification is for 1000 rupees, allocation is of 2000 rupees, 2000 crore, whereas the total population of 63 lakh, 8000 crore is the amount that you need. You got a deficit of 6000 crore there itself. That's the numbers. That's what are saying. That's what's being said at this point.
Remember before the
And is Sanjeevani, did he or did he not say Sanjeevani abhi se ho gaya ji? Did he or did he not say Sanjeevani abhi se ho gaya ji? आप अभी जा सकते हैं.
10 seconds. Before during the Lok Sabha elections in Chhattisgarh, just before the Lok Sabha elections, the government.
Did he or did he say? Did he not say कि संजीवनी अभी से आप हो गया जी? आप अभी जा सकते हैं.
देखिए, जब दिल्ली में जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी
क्या
ने कहा
अभी जा सकते हैं? आकाशदीप पुनी, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं दिल्ली निवासी हूँ. मेरी उम्र 61 वर्ष की है. क्या मैं अभी जा सकता हूँ? मुझे संजीवनी का लाभ मिलेगा अभी?
कि ना कि मैनिफेस्टो में हुआ है और जब
in his rally did he say? Did he say it or not? That's the question. And now the point is who said what in their rallies? Who said what in their rallies and then their Chunavi Sabha? Once we put that out, Akashdeep Puni, then perhaps it's the play of words that could land the AAP in trouble. Not the intention. Not the intention. Okay, we got to take a